Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's D Wiley. Today I want to go over a little issue that just happened with my Toyota Corolla. I just got back home. I'm parked here on the curb by the street. Put my car in park and noticed that it kept rolling, and this is a automatic. So I played with the gears a little bit, and ultimately I ended up having to put the car use the emergency brake to get it to park. Once I turned off the ignition, it wouldn't crank back up. So I'm gonna show y'all this. See, it won't do anything. It's not clicking, nothing. So I got on YouTube and found a potential problem that looked like it might be a pretty quick fix, and that is a shifter cable. So I'm gonna have to pry this piece off of here. Let's see if I'm pointing in the right direction. Pry this little plastic part off here, and there should be a shifter cable underneath here that connects to my lever here, and hopefully that'll fix the problem. And something else I'll show you real quick. Put this key back in. So I'm trying to crank it, but right now I should be able to put it in neutral. And as you can see, if I get on the brake, you see it just moves. It doesn't lock really. It's just kind of free there. So that's kind of the issue that's happening. So I'm gonna try to pry this off real quick and then get under here and see if that's the issue. And hopefully, if it is, that should be a quick, easy, cheap fix. And yeah, it's off of there. If you can. All right, so I just made it back from Home Depot. I went and got an E-clip. This is the size, 3/8 inch. 67 cents with tax, so it's not expensive at all. On my last clip, I don't think I had it on the actual piece down here where this clip needs to go, so I'm gonna try to show it again. But here's the shift cable right here, and as you can see, this is what it needs to go on right here, and as you can see, it's off of there. And so I'm gonna slide it on there, put this clip on, and hopefully that'll fix my problem. I can't do it with both hands and hold the camera, so I'm gonna set the camera down, but once I get it on there, I will start the video back up. All right, so I think I might be able to put this on with one hand. What I had to do was put the car back in drive, and that was the last position it was in when I got home. So it's back in drive, and as you can see, this thing, there go my shifter right there. Just slid right back over it. So now, if I can get this clip on there. All right, yeah, I'm gonna have to set my camera down because I can't do it with one hand. So let me set the camera down, and once I get it on there, I'll start it back up so you can see the end result. Okay, so I got the clip on there, and as you can see, this thing is back in place. It's secure. I can put the car back in park. Now let's see if it's gonna crank up. Cranked up, so we good to go. Yep, now I can tell the car want to go just by me putting it in drive, so it's working. So that's it, just a quick little fix. Got the part at Home Depot, 67 cents. If you have any questions, just shoot me a message, and as always, please subscribe, and y'all have a good day.